This is the front view of the Krishna Math. This is a Malpe Beach. From you can see few islands. Malpe Beach walk. So this is the Delta Point lighthouse. ये lighthouse है. इसको चढ़ने के लिए सीढ़ियाँ यूज़ करना पड़ेगा.
Good morning everyone, and today is the last day for our Gokarna Udupi Konkan trip, and we are finally ending our day today. So our day plan for today is to first visit Krishna Math and then head for Malpe Beach, and if the ferry is working toward for St. Mary's Island, we are planning to visit that, and then depending on how much time is left, short beach walk on the Malpe Beach, and then we will head for Kapu Beach to visit the lighthouse. So this is our plan for today, and let's see whether the weather permits or not, and how the days goes by. So we'll let you know and keep you updated on the video. Also, today we are starting a little early compared to all the other days. So today we are planning to start by having a breakfast at 7 over here, and probably we'll start here from 8. Target is to start by 8, finishing our breakfast by 8 and then heading to Krishna Math, because as per some reviews it looks like it becomes a little crowded as the day progresses. So we are planning to start very early. Stay with us and we'll keep you updated on the later how the trip goes.
We have now completed our breakfast and on the way to Krishna Math. Time is 8:06. So we are 6 minutes delayed from our planned time. We had planned to start by 8, but yeah, that's okay. अब हम कृष्णा मठ के लिए जा रहे हैं. यहाँ से हमारा होटल से 5 किलोमीटर है सिर्फ. गूगल मैप हमें 10 मिनट का टाइम बता रहा है. So let's see how the crowd is over there and parking and all. So not aware of anything of this at this place. पहुँचने के बाद बताता हूँ मैं आपको कैसा रहता है. This is the front view of the Krishna Math. So we have completed our darshan at the Krishna Math and we are heading for the next destination. So the queue was very long and it took us around 2 hours to complete, and it's a very rush over today. Even after coming at 8:30, it took us 2 hours to finish it. So plan your day accordingly. We are now heading for Malpe Beach, and probably if weather permits, we'll try to see if we can go to St. Mary's Island. So once we reach there, we'll confirm. So we are heading for the boating point and see how the situation is and how long the queue over there is for the boating. It's from the Krishna Math, it's around 7 kilometers, 20 minutes drive. Weather is still partially cloudy, so not sure whether boating will be running or not. But so far no rain. In the morning it's very hot and humid. अब हम मैपल बीच की ओर जा रहे हैं, which is our next destination, and if the boating is there, we will try to visit St. Mary's Island. So now we are about to reach Malpe Beach, and from there we'll see whether the boat is running or not for St. Mary's Island. So earlier in my video I was mentioning Malpe. It's not Malpe, it's Malpe Beach. So just a correction for that. We are heading for the Malpe Beach road, and towards boating point. It's the Malpe Beach, and let's see if their boats are running or not. We'll just keep you updated. And this is the Malpe Beach. So this is a Malpe Beach from the closer to the shore, view from the shore, and far away if you can see few islands. I think those are, one of them is St. Mary's Island. I'm not sure which one. There is one at the right side, one straight, and one on the left side. And just to update you, the ferry to St. Mary's Island is closed. I think it is closed from last 2 weeks, so we didn't have any update of that. So due to rough weather, I think they have closed, and I think it will now open up after rainy season only. So maybe next time when we visit, we'll try St. Mary's Island. But so far it's bad luck for this time. So the one thing that unique compared to Gokarna beaches is that the sand over here is it's pure yellow, not unlike there in the Gokarna. It was a little dark in color, blackish and yellow black mixed. Here it is pure yellow. So that's a different over here from the Udupi beach, Malpe Beach at Udupi. So next, after having our lunch, we'll head for Kapu Beach. So there is one more area. If you can see far away, there is the Malpe Beach walk. So that will go over there in some time, and then show you the view from there. अभी हम मालपे बीच के पास है, तो यहाँ का से आप व्यू देख सकते हैं सी शोर के पास से. दूर में 2-3 आइलैंड दिख रहे हैं, उनमें से एक सेंट मेरीज़ आइलैंड है. इस बार हम सेंट मेरीज़ आइलैंड नहीं जा पा रहे हैं क्योंकि फेरी बंद हो चुका है लास्ट 2 वीक से. अभी थोड़ी देर में हम मालपे बीच वॉक के पास जाएंगे, तो वहाँ से आपको व्यू दिखाएंगे. फ्रॉम आफ्टर फिनिशिंग over here, we'll go for a lunch and then head for Kapu Beach in the around 3 to 4 o'clock at that time. So we'll show you the view from there also. So stay with us. So the view from here you can see. So that is the sea walk area. So we'll go there shortly. In fact, we are walking towards there. So this is the boating point, but the boats are closed. Boating is closed, so that we cannot do it this time. Statue of a fish. Starting point for Malpe Beach walk. Both sides sea, and between that there is a walk. It's good pavement. So you can walk on your shoes, no need for a slipper. So nice view we were there just on that side some time back. So we are about to reach the end of this walk. I think there is a viewpoint over here, and if you come at during the sunset, there is a sunset view here. You'll have a nice view of sunset. अब हम मैपल बीच वॉक का लास्ट पॉइंट तक पहुंचने वाले हैं, मालपे बीच, सॉरी। So we are at the tip of this beach walk. So you can see the Malpe Beach from here. You can see. We came from that side. I think it is almost 1.5 kilometer walk. Reached MTR restaurant and we are having lunch. So we have just now ordered one special thali, one mini thali. Let's see how it is, and then we'll let keep you updated. This is special thali. तो ये बेसिकली बात है. We have finished our lunch at MTR restaurant and now we are heading for Delta Point. So lunch here we had one mini thali and one special thali. It costed including one water bottle cost around 630 rupees. So the rate is reasonable. You can definitely try out. It's a 100 years old restaurant. Now we are heading to Delta Point. Earlier we are planning to go to Kapu Beach first, but we'll visit that after visiting Delta Point, because right now it is not raining. I'm not sure whether how the weather will remain. After some time it may start raining because there is a prediction of rain in the evening. So Delta Point is around 19 km from MTR and it will take us around 30 minutes. So we'll keep you updated how that Delta Point is and the view from there. We'll show that. Stay with us. So we are now almost about to enter the Delta Point. 4 km left. The approaching road is little narrow. I think this is at this place there is two rivers that merges and to the sea and it forms delta. So there is no mangrove over here. It's forming a delta over here. So we have reached that point where one side is sea and another side is a river, and I think you can see the sea, but the river also, if you can see in the camera, that's the other side, and there is a road in within that. So one side river, one side sea. It's similar to Marvante place, Marvante beach, near that. So around 3 km drive is just like this. Not sure how long the road is there and whether we can reach up to the Delta Point or not, but yeah, it's must. You can definitely add it into your itinerary. This was optional for me. I had time, so I'm coming here, but I think looks like you can make it as a mandatory visiting point. So this is the delta point. We have reached finally. So now we are heading to Kapu Beach to view the lighthouse. Mainly the attraction is a lighthouse, and from the delta point it is showing us 33 kilometer. But if you are like, if you don't visit delta point, it is like from MTR it was Kapu Beach was around 20 kilometer, 23 kilometers. So there is a 10 to 15 kilometer detour for delta point. So if you have time, you can visit here for a short 15-20 minutes break. So we will reach by 4:30 over there. So weather has become little cloudy and looks like it can rain anytime, but still not raining. The good thing is that the temperature has drastically reduced and we are not feeling hot any longer. It's cool outside also. So we have reached Kapu Beach, and this is a lighthouse. So this is the lighthouse. So this is the lighthouse. ये lighthouse है और इसको चढ़ने के लिए सीढ़ियाँ यूज़ करना पड़ेगा. So if you have energy left, you can climb. So first I am trying to climb till that base point of the lighthouse and we'll see कैसा दिख रहा है वहाँ से, फिर डिसाइड करेंगे और ऊपर चढ़ना है या नहीं. So this is a view from the base point of the lighthouse. It's still left quite a lot to climb. So from here we will head for our hotel and end the day today. So just stopped here to buy water for tomorrow and some snacks item, so that we don't need to stop on the way. And because early morning we are planning to start tomorrow early, and till like first 3-4 hours we'll not get anything in the morning. So we want to stop and fill up and get ready for tomorrow's long drive. Stay with us for the next video. Thank you for watching this, and tomorrow we are returning to Hyderabad. So for that also, if you need any guidance, you can watch the other the next video on that, the route related to return route from Udupi to Hyderabad. So tomorrow's drive will be from Udupi to Hyderabad, and we'll keep you updated on that video on the route and the path that I am taking. So far not yet decided on that final route. So as we start tomorrow morning, we'll clear out on the video which route we are taking. Thank you again for watching. If you have liked this video, please subscribe to my channel for more such videos.